Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on Gmail. You will click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on apps and you can search about the application of Gmail and you will enter. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.